Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in for another video. So I am starting a quarantine wash day series where I will be showing you how I'm maintaining my hair during quarantine. What I have planned is to do a lot of low maintenance stuff. So what I'm really trying to stick to during quarantine is having my hair out, letting it just grow and kind of be free and do its own thing to each wash day. So I'll either be doing a wash and go, a braid out, or a twist out, and whatever the result is by the time it's the next wash day is what it is. I'm not going to be doing too much. I really want to take this time to just let my hair grow. I'm doing this for growth purposes. So yeah, I think just letting your hair be in its natural state and get all frizzy and dusty and crusty until the next wash day is a method to help your hair grow. Honestly, just leaving your hair alone, not really applying too many products, putting the products in on wash day, and just, you know, leaving your hair until the next wash day. So that is my plan for this quarantine time. It's just to let my hair be and be free. So for this wash day, I will be starting in braid out form, and then I will let my braid out gradually get old until the next wash day. So I'm trying to stay away from any blow drying or protective styling, feed-in braids. I'm trying to stay away from all of that. I'm solely just letting my hair breathe and be loose and be its natural, happy, curly self. All right. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on a wash day. My hair is super dry, and honestly, I just let it get like this because I'm not going anywhere. We're in quarantine. Who am I trying to look good for? Nobody. So yeah, let's get into this wash day. I actually haven't even picked out any products. Like, I don't even know what I'm about to use, honestly. Let's look on my shelf. Let's see, maybe should I try something new? Should I try something I've done before? What works for braid outs? Braid outs. Because I want it to be a fluffy, like silky braid out. Let's see what I have. Okay, I figured out what products I want to use. I'm not sure if I've used these in a video before, but if not, then this is my first time using it for a video, which I should have done a while ago. I am using My Black is Beautiful, and they actually came out with a product line. They sent me this about a year ago, and it was sold in Sally's. So it comes with like a little pamphlet. You open it up, some beautiful girl, and then it just describes what the products are. So it is the Golden Milk Collection. And you guys, I have used the products. I just haven't used them on camera. These products smell like, oh, they smell amazing. They smell like your grandmother's perfume, that like sensual, like 90s, like Nia Long scent. Like, it's like, these products smell amazing. Literally one of the best scents in a hair product that I've smelled personally. So this is the Golden Milk Collection, and it comes with the Hydrating Shampoo. They have the Fortifying Conditioner. They have an Intensive Recovery Treatment. And then there's also 2 conditioning creams. They have one for type 3 hair and one for type 4 hair. So they have 2 conditioning creams based on your hair type. So these are what the products look like. They have this really pretty theme. So what I'm going to be using, I am going to be using the shampoo. So I'm almost out of the conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the conditioner and the intensive recovery treatment together for my deep condition. And then I'm going to style my hair with the, what do you guys think, type 3 or type 4 curl cream. Based on how my hair is looking today, I'm going to go with the type 4 Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. I want to get the name right. I'm going to go with the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream, and I'll also be using just a tad bit of this Green Apple and Aloe Hold Me Down Jelly, so that I make sure the strands in my braids are nice and uniform and I don't have too many flyaways. So I'm just using the gel to make sure my hair is you know, clump together for a good braid pattern in the end. Yes. All right, so I'm going to wet my hair, and I will be back to shampoo with My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo. All right, so right away it has a good lather immediately. So you don't need a lot of shampoo. It'll get in there. You just gotta work it in, work it through. Do it in sections if you have to. So what I'm doing with the shampoo is sort of just kind of finger detangling as I'm working it through my hair. Alright, so I rinsed out my shampoo, and as you can see, my hair is still soaking wet, and this is exactly how I want it when I apply my conditioner and my recovery treatment. So like I said, I'm going to be mixing the both of these because I am almost out of the conditioner. Okay, so the intensive recovery mask is giving off like a velvet feel to my hair. It feels really, really soft, and it's doing something to the texture of my hair. I don't really know how to explain it, but it is giving my hair a velvety, soft, buttery feel. And my hair is really easy to detangle. It's easy to detangle with the conditioner, but then there's definitely a difference when I do apply the intense recovery treatment. So yeah, I probably right now my favorite product out of the whole line is definitely the intensive recovery treatment. So I know my hair is going to be thoroughly moisturized, hydrated, and conditioned after using these two products together, especially. So I am applying more water to my hair just so I can make detangling easier and I have a lot less breakage. Like I said, I am working on growth, so I'm trying to eliminate as much breakage as possible, and mixing your products with water helps loosen the product up, helps loosen up your curls as well. So apply more water to your hair if you need to before you detangle. And as you can see, the comb is just sliding right through. Alright, my hair is washed, conditioned, and detangled. So now I'm going to style my hair. And like I said, for this line, it did come with a Tangle Slayer conditioning cream for type 3 hair, curly hair, and type 4 hair, coily hair. So I am going to use the type 4 coily hair Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. So I'll also be pairing it with Taliah Waajid Hold Me Down Jelly from their Apple and Aloe collection. So these are my two styling products. So when I was rinsing out my conditioner and deep conditioner, my hair literally still feels amazing. Like the after effect of using it, it's my hair smells so good, you guys. It's so soft and still has that really like soft silky feel from the deep conditioning. So I'm super pleased with the deep conditioning and the way that it turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with braiding up my hair. And I'm starting out with the middle part because eventually as my hair gets older, it is gonna fall into that shape and my part will start to disappear. So it's gonna fall into the bang shape and it'll eventually have that bang hairstyle that I had at the start of this video. So my hair, when my hair gets old, it naturally falls into that shape. So middle part is best because it's easy to just cover it up, you know, mess it up and get rid of the middle part once as my hair gets older, instead of trying to refresh a braid out. Just let it go and let it be. Alright, so wash day is complete. I have clean, fresh braids. So since I am in quarantine, I don't feel the need to really do much more to my hair than this. Of course, I'm gonna take my braids out, but I don't have to take them out right away because I'm not going anywhere. So once I do decide to take up my braids, I'll be back to show you guys. Alright, so now that I've gotten almost halfway, all I'm going to do is my little technique that I love to do, where I just put curly product on my ends and let my ends curl up into the natural curl pattern. So not all the hair, just putting some curly product on the ends. Alright, so my braids are taken out and I've curled my ends. Now all I'm going to do is add a little bit more volume with my pick. Alright, so my braid out is done. I'm gonna do a follow-up video and show you guys my hair at like day 8 so you guys can see what my hair looks like by then. But literally perfect braid out results. The right amount of fluff, the right amount of definition, the right amount of length. It has a good length, and you know, this is only day 1 hair and it's already this big. So just imagine how big it's gonna be by the time I come back on camera. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my first quarantine wash day video. I love this braid out. It's a shame I'm not going anywhere because this braid out looks amazing. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in the next quarantine wash day. Bye.